Ever wondered how you can work your core without hurting your back?
Are you doing crunches and sit-ups all day with no results and only back pain?
Then let's try these together. These are isometric exercises that will work your core and not hurt your back. These will actually be a really good rehab for your back. So you can follow along with me. Shoulder taps, plank holds. You can do plank rotations, side to side. We can go legs out side to side and side planks. Try these. Let me know how you feel.